Hello, students. I am back with math for today's lesson. We are going to start off with our subitizing cards. Remember, put the number up in the air that you see. I should be seeing you doing this to your computer, and then we'll shout it out together as a class after that, okay? So here's the first one. Put your hands up when you know how many there are. This one has a lot. How many do you see? I see 10. Very good. There's 3, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like 9, but with an extra one. Very good. Okay. How about this one? This one should be quick. How many? 0. Good. Put them on your hand. How many? That's a group of 5. Very good. How about this one? You should recognize this from our 10 frames. How many? 4. Very good. How many? 1. Good. Last one. How many do you see? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 2, 4, 6. Very, very good, class. We will do some more next time. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen. Here we are. We just did subitizing, an excellent way to keep fluency and start math off strong. Next, we go to more fluency with number writing. So take out your whiteboard, the big white whiteboard that I gave you, or a notebook piece of paper, get a pencil or your whiteboard marker, and go ahead and practice like we do in class, writing numbers 1 through 10. If you want to go beyond 10 to 11, 12, 13, all the way up to 20, that would be awesome too. If you want to need help, if you're noticing that you forgot how to write number 4 or you forget which way the 7 goes, that's okay. You can watch the Pink Fong video on our YouTube channel under writing numbers, and that can help you remember how to write the numbers. It'll teach you slide to the right and slide it down, that kind of thing. Okay, it'll remind you how to write the numbers. So make sure you write at least 1 through 10 today. If you want to go beyond that to 20, that's awesome too, okay? All right, let's do some number recognitions. Just like letters, when I point to the bottom, I want you to say the number. We need to be loud and proud so that we have time for the rest of our lesson. Okay, ready? Go. 7, 6, 3, 1, 4. Very good, keep it up. 0, 2, 10. Watch my pointer. 5, 8. Bigger numbers now. 20. What is that one? Is that 12 or is that 20? Which one? 20. Good, because it has a 0 on the end. That means we know it's a T number. 20, 30, 40, 20. Very good. How about this one right here? 14. 14. Good. How about this one? 13. This one's at the top of a clock. Look at what number this is. 12. Good. And what about this one? 9. Very, very good, friends. Let's move on to our shapes. Are these our flat shapes or our solid shapes right here? Flat. Very good. Does that mean they're 2D or 3D? 2D. They're flat, and they can be drawn on a piece of paper. Okay? What is this one right here? Triangle. It has how many sides? 3. Good. What is this one right here? Oval. Very good. How about this one? Hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? Do you remember? 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. What is this one right here? Square. Does a square have equal or unequal sides? Equal means the same length. Are all the sides the same size? Yes, so that means it has equal sides. Very good. What about this one right here? What's the shape? Circle. Very good. Does the circle have any corners? No, a corner is a point like this. A triangle has 3 corners. or angles? Does the circle have any? No. All right, what is this one over here? Rectangle, good. Are a rectangle's four sides equal or unequal? Unequal, because look, we have a long one, but then, are these too long? No, those are short. And last but not least, what is this shape? A diamond. Very good. All right, let's move on to our 3D shapes or solid shapes. These ones are 3D. You can move them, throw them, roll them, stack them, just like we do in our centers in class, okay? So which color, let's do this a little differently today. Which color is the prism? What color is the prism? Yellow. This is the prism. Point to the prism and say, that's a prism. All right. How about which one is light green? Light green. What shape is light green? This is the light green one. What is it? A pyramid. Very, very good. Okay, now I want you to tell me, what is the name of the shape that is orange? Here it is. What shape is that? Cylinder. Good. How about what is this one right here? It's not a circle because it's 3D. A sphere. A sphere. The difference between a circle and a sphere is you can't roll a circle. A circle is flat on paper, but a sphere you can roll, like in those manipulatives we use in class. What is this one right here? A cone. And how about this one? Dark green. Cube. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and do 2 practice problems. Which sneaker, this is a sneaker like a tennis shoe, which sneaker comes, do you see our sight word right here? C-O-M-E spells come. So come, which sneaker comes after the blue sneaker? Okay, so this tells me that this might be a pattern, just like we used to do in class. So we have to figure out what sneaker comes after the blue every time in the pattern. Is it green? Is it pink? Is it yellow? Or is it orange? Which sneaker color comes after the blue one? Point to which answer you think is right. Green, pink, yellow, or orange? Tell me which one. Okay, I heard some good answers. Let's double check. All right, you should have picked the orange sneaker because it comes after the blue. Look, green, pink, yellow, blue. What comes next? What comes after? Orange. Good. Does yellow come after blue? No, it comes before blue. Does pink come after blue? No, it comes before blue. Does green come after blue? No, it comes before blue. The one that comes right after is orange. Very good. Let's do a next one. Ooh, I see a sight word. What is the sight word? What? 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 Another sight word is, read it with me, 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? It gives us a picture to help us out, just like we've been doing in math. Find out the answer. What is 4 plus 3? Figure that out. Is it 3, 4, 5, or 7? Point to your answer once you figure it out. You can do it on your fingers, or you can do it in your head, or you can do it on a piece of paper. All right, what's your answer? Okay, I heard some good ones. Let's check. Ooh, the right answer was 7. Did you get it right? If you did not, let's do it together to make sure we can remember how to do it right. Okay, so it's asking us 4 crayons plus 3 crayons equals how many crayons? So what number should we start with? Look at the number sentence. What number should we start with? 4. What number should we add? Or should we add or subtract? Are we adding or taking away? Adding. Good. So we're adding how many? 3. We start with 4 and we add 3. Let's add 3. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have? 5, 6, 7. So what is our answer? 7. Good. Another way is you could count the crayons. 4 crayons plus 3 crayons equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we get the same answer? We did. Very good. All right. Today we are just having a little review of number bonds because we've been talking all week about number sentences, but I want to make sure we remember how to put number sentences into number bonds. So I am going to give us a couple random numbers. Let's see. Let's do 7 and let's do 2. Okay. So we have a number bond with 7 and 2. Are those 7 and 2 in the whole or the parts? The parts, because remember, this is a part, this is a part, point to the whole. Here's the whole, part, whole. When those 7 and the 2 come together to the whole, that's the answer. Okay, that's the bigger number that they make together when they go to the party together. So let's do 7 and 2. Let's fill those in. If they are part and part, when we fill our number sentences, part plus part equals whole, what goes first? Does this go first? No, because that's the whole. We start with a part. Which part do y'all want to do first? 2? Okay, let's do 2. 2, part plus part. What's the other part that we haven't used yet? We used 2, so what's the other part? 7. Good. Okay, so we now have 2 plus 7, or part plus part, equals the whole. So now in order to find the whole, we have to do what? Add 2 plus 7. Okay, so let's use our hands. Everybody get your fingers up. We're going to add 2 and 7 together. So we start with which one? What do we start with here? 2. So everybody get 2 up on your fingers. Okay, now are we adding or subtracting? Part plus, that tells us we're going to add. Part plus part. So 2 plus how many? What's the other part we're adding? 7. So let's add 7. Put up 7 more fingers as we count with me. Ready? Hold on one second. There we go. Okay. 2 plus 7. Let's do 7. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we add 7 more? Yes, we did. Did we start with 2? Yes, we did. So we know the answer has to be what? Count my fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9. Okay, so let's put that in our answer. And now that we have our answer, where does that answer go? If we have part plus part equals whole, it goes in the whole. So I'm going to put our answer 9 up in the whole. So we know that 7 is a part, 2 is a part, and it makes a total of 9 in the whole. Very good. Now, if we saw a number bond that looked like, or a number sentence that looked like this, does that confuse us? Maybe a little bit, but we know how to solve it. It's just backwards. It's telling us whole equals part plus part. We already have the whole number bond filled out, so we just need to fill this in. What number goes by the equal sign? Does a part go by an equal sign? Look up here on the top one. What goes by the equal sign? We have 9, and is 9 a part or a whole? 9's the whole. So we know that the whole goes by the equal sign. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our whole by the equal sign 9. And if we have 9, we've already used 9, what do we think are the 2 extra ones we have to do? Whole equals part plus part. Very good. So what are the 2 parts we need to put in? 7, and what's the other one? 2. Here's our 7. Here's our 2. Let's go ahead and read those 2 number sentences together. Ready? 2 plus 7 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Let's do the backwards one. It still makes sense. Ready? Go. 9 equals 7 plus 2. 9 equals 7 plus 2. Very good. All right, I am going to make a number bond. I'm going to put a couple numbers over here, and I want you to fill in the whole, and I want you to fill in the first and second number sentence, okay? So get out your notebook or a whiteboard, draw this number bond, copy down the 5 and the 3. That's my time to go up, so I want you to pause the video and finish this question on your own. And don't forget, after this lesson is over, do your math centers. Thank you, class. I will see you tomorrow.